Chevy has completely knocked the ball out of the park, out of the stadium, completely just, they hit a home run with the C8 Corvette. Now, originally I was kind of skeptical because, I mean, going to a mid-engine Corvette, going to something that's completely new, it is different. But with this reveal, I mean, I will say, admittedly, at the very beginning, they were going about, they had some NASA astronauts talking about the space program, just this whole drawn-out thing for 20-25 minutes. And then eventually the CEO of GM came out, and then he started explaining more about the C8 Corvette. But as far as the highlights, the things I'm so excited about, number one, the absolute best thing is pricing. It's under $60,000. That is insane, and it's going to be going from 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. That's blowing me away. I mean, that is faster than the new GT5. It is possibly faster than the new GT500. The only other car that's going to be quicker than that, as far as V8 muscle cars, well, minus the Dodge Demon. Well, I guess you can't include that. Is the Dodge Demon and the ZR1. So that is, to me, and this is a base model Corvette, a base model mid-engine Corvette. Is going to go from 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. It is only going to have a dual clutch transmission, an 8-speed dual clutch transmission. Kind of upset that the manual isn't going to be an option, but with performance numbers like that for this kind of cost is amazing. And another crazy thing about this car is that there is going to be a right-hand drive version of this car. So I'm assuming they're going to tackle the European market because with these kind of performance numbers, I mean, they're going to be rivaling Ferrari, Lamborghini. I mean, this is truly a supercar, a very affordable supercar. Now, if you pay attention to my channel, I did post a video about an hour before the release of the Corvette and all the specs and everything. Everything was dead on. The only thing that was off was the price. The price in the leaks said it was going to be $70,000. It was, but I mean, when it announced it's going to be $60,000. As far as horsepower, it's going to be 495 horsepower. I believe 470 foot-pounds of torque. So performance-wise, this is going to be a beast, and I really cannot wait to see what this thing can do just with some tires, tuning, slight modifications. I mean, this is very remarkable that a car straight out of the factory that's going to cost $60,000 is going to be able to go that quick. I mean, I am just blown away. I'm a huge Ford fan, as you can tell. I race my Mustang. I absolutely love Ford. But this is mind-blowing, and this really is game-changing. Like, what is going to be the next step up? Because, yeah, all these other car companies, I mean, with Dodge especially, I mean, they're going up and up and up with horsepower. Well, with less than 500 horsepower, they're going to be able to go from 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. I mean, I cannot get over that. That is absolutely crazy. I mean, I don't know. I am just truly excited for this thing. There's going to be new colors. The interior is very cool. Has a very cool middle console. The way that everything's laid out is just very awesome. I mean, I'm very, very excited for this. And I am actually going to be able to see one on November 14th. RP Productions, I'm sure all of y'all know him. He works over at I forgot what Chevy dealership. It's out there in Tomball, Texas. But he's going to get one before the official production starts. He's going to get one over there at his dealership, and I'm going to go over there and do a video on it. I mean, I just can't wait to see it. But let me know what y'all think about everything. I am going to be making another video tomorrow where I go literally over everything. I was just trying to hit over the bulletin points in this. But let me know what y'all think down below. Is a C8 Corvette cool? I mean, it does have that Ferrari-ish styling, but when you go to the rear, I mean, that rear is just, I really like it. The styling, the trunk, it actually has a trunk and a frunk. I don't know how you'd call that. So it has storage in the front and rear. Even the way that the entire rear end lifts up just so you can get into the trunk. I mean, I am just blown away completely by this. GM, y'all did an amazing job on this. Great job. I can honestly say that I haven't been this excited about a Chevy product probably since the Stingray was originally announced in, what, 2013, 2014? That was the last time that I've been this excited. And like I've said, this is only the base model of 495 horsepower. What in the world are the Z06 and the ZR1 that's going to come? What kind of performance numbers are those going to produce? So, guys, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.